सचारो रमणगणं देवकी युक्ता उपासते श्रद्धया परयोगेनास्।
I request the guests and everyone to be seated. Tirelessly for our independence. Let us take a moment to reflect on the significance of this day and inculcate values like freedom, justice, equality.
ಕಠಿಣ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಶಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ
Myself Neha from grade 2A. Today is 15th August. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. This year we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. The sacrifices made by our freedom fighters to get this independence will be upheld by us that we make.
आदरणीय अतिथिगण, प्रधान अध्यापक महोदय, शिक्षक गण एवं मेरे मित्रों, आज का दिन हर भारतीय के लिए गौरव का दिन है। 15 अगस्त स्वतंत्रता दिवस, इंडिपेंडेंस डे, चाहे जिस नाम से पुकार लो, लेकिन वो नाम पुकारते हुए अगर आपको भारत के शूरवीरों की याद न आए तो दोबारा सोचना, क्योंकि आज हम जिस आज़ादी का जश्न मना रहे हैं यह उन्हीं की बदौलत है। हमारे राष्ट्रीय गीत को लिखने वाले नोबेल पुरस्कृत कवि रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर ने कहा था, हर प्रकार के भय से मुक्त होना ही आज़ादी है। आज़ादी का अर्थ है कि हम अपनी सरकार को खुद चुने।
ಶುಭ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಗೆಳೆಯ ಗೆಳತಿಯರೇ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿದಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಂದು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ. ದುಷ್ಟ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರಿಂದ ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮುಕ್ತಗೊಳಿಸಿದ ದಿನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಂದಿನ ಈ ಶುಭ ದಿನದಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ, ಭಾಷೆ, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು. ಹಲವಾರು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಕೂಡ ಒಬ್ಬರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿದಿದೆ. ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ಸಂಸ್ಥಾನ ಎಂದರೆ ಕೇವಲ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಂಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ರಾಯಣ್ಣ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದು ಸೂರ್ಯಾಸ್ತದ ಸಮಯ ಕಿತ್ತೂರಿನ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಜನರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಡಿಗೋಲು, ಕತ್ತಿ, ಕೋವಿ.
Let us rejoice and enjoy our Independence Day through the cultural events. Nanha Munha Rahe Ho, a dance performance by second grade students.
देश का सिपाही
Nanade in our studio. Congratulations, sir, for receiving Padma Shri Award. Sir, you have been instrumental in getting freedom to Goa. We would like you to share some of your experience to our viewers. The nation wants to know what inspired you to jump into the fray for Goan independence.
Thank you. Well, I will begin from the beginning. Goa or Gomantaka, well known for its clean and beautiful beaches, lush green forests, thrill, adventure, and a joyful vacation destination for Indians and foreigners alike. But until 1961, the state was gripped under the colonial claws of the Portuguese. Here is a small attempt at showing the struggles of the Goan people in their fight to attain independence and become a part of the Republic of India. Going on the memory lane, I recall how it all started. We are beginning the story from 1945 when Ram Manohar Lohia entered Goa.
Can't you see the Portugal army passing by? How dare you not salute us? And you lost in your dance. You'll all go to jail now.
Sorry, sir. Please forgive us. Spare our good minds. Kindly do not punish them. Please let them free.
What? Let them free? No, never. All of you will be punished. Soldiers, beat them up.
Mercy, mercy, please leave us.
What is happening here?
Mr. Lohia, the Portuguese are more oppressive and ruthless than the British. All the resistance by the Gomantaks to get freedom from the Portuguese have gone in vain. Right since 1555, the Goans have been protesting against the Portuguese unjust land revenue collection laws.
And also the rebel of the local British of Goa, who tried to escalate the problems caused by the brutality of the Portuguese, led by Saitana Francisco Poto of Panaji and Jose Antonio Gonçalves of Divar, which is termed as Conspiracy of Pintos, was also crushed viciously.
Let's not forget the vibrant protest of renters and Satri during the period of 1755 to 1822. They lost the terror in the Portuguese camp, but eventually the Portuguese were able
Done masterminded a major rebellion on 26 January 1852 in protest against the imposition of new restrictions levied on cultivable lands. He captured the fortress of Nanas and led revolt on village army outposts, which ultimately led to the restoration of concessions and rights to the Ranis under an agreement in 1869.
Ranis continued their armed resistance, waging guerrilla warfare with 900 aides, which were ended ruthlessly by the Portuguese. They were deported to Timor in the Pacific Ocean.
I cannot tolerate this atrocity. I think we have to initiate a protest against this. Let us all gather at Madgaon ground on 18 June and hoist the Indian flag.
But Lohiaji, you are sick. I think you take rest.
Take rest? When my fellow Indians are in so much trouble, how can I? Let us do it for the freedom of Goans from the Portuguese. Day 18 June 1946 at Madgaon ground. I'm glad to see this gathering. We have all assembled here to claim the right to freedom. The rest of India is fighting against the British colonial rule, and now we have to send these Portuguese away. Let the Swaraj of us native return. Look not to Delhi, look not to UNO for your deliverance. Your freedom lies in you. Vande Mataram.
Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia's public address ignited the minds and they stood for their freedom. But the Portuguese rulers, without realizing the sign of time, called the civil disobedient movement as Movimento Dawa, which means roadside agitation. While the rest of India was struggling with different issues and they were trying to resolve the freedom from international diplomacy, Goans did not remain silent. They formed Goa Vimochan Sahayak Samiti from 1954 to 1955.
Mr. Lohia, it seems that the Portuguese are not ready to grant Goa its freedom, and it's time we take a firm decision about it. It's time for us to show that Goa is part of the Republic of India and no one shall stop us. Let our troops march in. Let Operation Vijay begin.
Operation Vijay, all three arms of defense, Army, Navy and Air Force were deployed, and after 36 hours of operation, Portuguese bid goodbye to Goa and evacuated Goa.
आम्ही कांदारा म्हणटाव आम्ही फुगडी गाजयताव भजना नाचता सगळो गांव आम्ही मस्त वाजयताव आम्ही कांदारा म्हणटाव आम्ही फुगडी गाजयताव भजना नाचता सगळो गांव आमची गोंयची बाज तीच करूया राजमाज कोंकणी आमची गोंयची बाज तीच करूया राजमाज कोंकणी आमची गोंयची बाज तीच करूया राजमाज कोंकणी आमची गोंयची बाज तीच करूया राजमाज English songs of town, Marathi singtaw, Gora kore wasana ami Konkani uloitaw, hey Portuguese mantaw, Marathi singtaw, Gora kore wasana ami Konkani uloitaw. Konkani amchi goinchi bas, it's Korea rajbas. Konkani amchi goinchi bas, it's Korea rajbas. Konkani amchi goinchi bas, it's Korea rajbas. Konkani amchi goinchi bas, it's Korea rajbas.
different yet one. Thank you. I call upon Dikshita to share her views.
आइए देखते हैं इस संस्कृति कुछ झलकियां।
Archana ma'am and JP sir for inviting me for this special event. I really very grateful to be a part of this event and also a part of this institution.
Of thanks on the 78th Independence Day. I thank our guest Srimati Bakya and her daughter Tikshika for coming here and spending time with us. I thank Mrs. Archana Suresh, our academic director, for her constant guidance and support. I thank our beloved principal, Dr. Jayaprakash, and Vice Principal, Mrs. Anuradha, who is our guiding force and mentor. To present this program, a lot of hard work is done by our beloved teachers and students. I take this opportunity to thank them for making it a memorable event. Our support staff are always there to help us. Thank you.